The French Minister of the Armed Forces, Sébastien Lecornu, recently announced that France has handed over the first batch of Mirage 2000-5 fighter jets to Ukraine following the completion of Ukrainian pilot training. Reports indicate that 6 Mirage 2000-5 jets have been delivered. Ukrainian air and ground crews were reportedly trained at Nancy Air Base, while technical modifications to the aircraft and subsequent technical training were carried out at Kazo Air Base. Earlier reports suggested that the jets supplied to Ukraine have been optimized for precision strikes, including the integration of Storm Shadow Scalp missiles. Additionally, the fighter's self-protection system has been upgraded to enhance survivability against enemy radar, electronic warfare, and missile threats in light of Russia's sophisticated multi-echelon air defense capabilities. Mirage 2000-5 vs F-16. Before the arrival of the Mirage 2000-5 fighters, Ukraine was already operating F-16AM BM Block 15 Midlife Update MLU variants donated by several European nations, including the Netherlands, Denmark, Norway, Belgium, and Greece. U.S. F-35 meets Russian Su-57 for the very first time. Which stealth fighter holds the real edge? The transfer of F-16s to Ukraine by these NATO countries did not significantly alter the course of the war in Ukraine, leading many experts to dismiss the threat posed by Mirage 2000-5 fighters to Russian forces. Both the F-16 and Mirage 2000 are multi-role fighters optimized for air-to-air combat and precision ground attack. They are similar in size, weight, and combat radius. The F-16s are equipped with the AN/APG-66B2 radar, which has a detection range of 110 kilometers. They can also be fitted with lantern and lightning targeting pods for precision-guided munitions. For strike missions, F-16s carry precision-guided munitions and bombs, and for air combat, they are armed with AIM-120 MRAAM missiles. In contrast, the Mirage 2000-5 is equipped with the RDY radar, which can detect a fighter-sized target at approximately 100 to 120 km under optimal conditions. Given their many similarities, it might seem that the Mirage 2000-5 poses no additional threat to Russian forces beyond the risk associated with larger numbers. However, in the context of the Ukrainian war, the Mirage 2000-5 has a significant advantage: its long-range strike capability, which stems from its ability to carry and launch Storm Shadow missiles. This crucial capability is often overlooked amid the focus on their similarities. One of the deadliest weapons in the Ukrainian arsenal is the Storm Shadow missile. Currently, the Ukrainian Air Force uses the Soviet-era Su-24MR fighter bomber to launch Storm Shadow missiles. MBDA, the manufacturer of the Storm Shadow, adapted the missile for the Su-24MR in just a few weeks by using adapter pylons from retired RAF Tornado jets. These adapters enabled the missiles to connect to the aircraft's power supply, ensuring that all missile systems were operational and launch-ready before takeoff. However, this integration is likely rudimentary. It is unlikely that the Storm Shadow can interface with the Su-24MR's flight and weapons management systems. Instead, target and routing information probably must be programmed into the missile before it is mounted on the Tornado pylons. This limitation reduces the weapon's versatility. In contrast, when mounted on a Mirage 2000-5, the Storm Shadow can interface with the aircraft's flight and weapons management systems, which would increase launch accuracy and provide greater targeting flexibility. The Mirage 2000-5 is a smaller and stealthier launch platform than the Su-24 Mister. Consequently, it is less likely to be detected early by Russian air defense radars, enabling it to operate close